One thing you may want to do is just get your cattle used to the facilities and how they need to flow through the facilities and not even catch them. Ideally, this would be something we would want to do with the replacement heifers, you know, anytime from weaning to year of age or weaning to breeding. If you buy some older cows, you could do it with them. They take a little longer to train, but it's still a good technique. So what we're going to do is take these 3 cows and we're just going to move them through the system. Nobody at the head gate, nobody at the squeeze chute, just to let them flow on through. And if you do that a couple times, it'll actually make those cattle flow a whole lot better for you, especially if you get some gentle cattle that want to just stand in your system and you can't really get them to move. If you'll do this a couple times, that'll get them moving through that system a whole lot better. And then next time when you get ready to work them, it'll actually make it easier. If you have time, one thing that will help is actually after you work the cattle, if you'll just run them back through the chute, it doesn't take an extra 15 or 20 minutes depending on the size of the group. And those cattle remember not being caught in a little more relaxed trip through that chute. Next time when you get ready to work them, it'll make it a little easier. So we're just going to push these cows through without catching them. So again, I don't want too many. This lead up's a little shorter, so cows this size, about 3 is all we would want. Just push them on through. Come on, girls. Typically what they would do would go to the far side of this pen and then go up. These cows have been through this system, so they actually make the turn, which is just fine. We're just going to let them make that turn. But if they didn't, we'd just let them go to the far corner of the pen like this cow just did. We'll step in, so we'll get her to rotate around us. Just go easy with her. Okay. Let her rotate, and then we want to move into her shoulder and put a little pressure and speed to push her on up through and out the system. You can see how easy those cows flow through there.